right, so what is it you want me to do here exactly? Sit down and open a box while you film it. All right, well, it's your dime, bub. Okay, here you go. Hey, that's a pretty good-looking fella you got there. Yeah, kind of looks familiar. I can't put my finger on it. Okay, what have we got here? A card. Hey, that's pretty nice. Some added value. So we've got to get out the foam here and... Holy smokes! It's a teeny little bomber pilot. Well, not that teeny. 1/30th scale to be exact. Yeah. And all the belts and buckles are in the right spot. And I'd say those people at W.Britain really know their stuff. I'm gonna take this home and show it to Mary. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.